In this video, I am going to show you how to cite and reference books and journals, both in the reference list as well as in text. Let us say I have used the book on number 1, Laboratory Manual for the Examination of Water, Wastewater and Soil. As you can see, the catalog makes provision for you to be able to create a citation. So I want to use Harvard, and then I click on Harvard. If you want to use another citation style which your department has approved, you are more than welcome to if it appears on the list. If it does not, use Harvard and then adapt the style to the departmental requirements. So as you can see, here is the full citation and the date appears in brackets. Then I copy it into my assignment. So this is how the reference will look with the different features which I'm going to show you now. Please don't write it in pink and blue and green and red and orange. This is just to show you the different features. So in pink would be the authors, Rump and Christ. Make sure to also include their initials, the year of publication, which I have adapted and removed the brackets. The book title is in italics in blue, and this specific book comes in editions, so I used the second edition. Very important, the publication place comes before the publisher. So if you are going to cite the book in text, this is how you do it. So you can start the sentence with saying, according to the authors, the year of publication, and if you want to, which I would prefer you do, put in the page number that you are referencing from or citing from, and then continue with the rest of the facts that the author stated. Another way to do it is to say, state all the facts and say, this is what was said by these people, and then put the citation afterward. So then you can say, the sky is blue, Rump and Christ, or according to Rump and Christ, 1992, the sky is blue. I hope this makes sense for you. Okay, so then let's say now I want to reference a journal. So I used an article, and this is the article I used, an accurate calculation model, and I used Google Scholar to find it. There is a cite option at the bottom, which you can click, and it gives you the citations in different styles, as you can see. So from MLA to APA, Chicago, Harvard, and Vancouver, which are the most used styles. But as I said, you can adapt the style for yourself. So this is the one I want to use. I want to use Harvard. So then I can copy the reference into my assignment. So this is how the journal reference will look. The authors, the year of publication, the title of the article, which is very important. There's 2 titles here, as you can see. So the first title that you put in is the title of the article, and then the name of the journal appears in italics. So if you see a citation or a reference with 2 articles, in most cases, or 99% of the cases, you will find that it's a journal reference. So it does not always say journal of, as you can see in this case. And then it is followed by the volume number, and then the issue number, and then the page numbers that you want to use. As I said, there are variations. You might find that others don't write the word vol. And in this specific case, the issue numbers are dates. In other cases, you might find it's numbered 1, 2, 3. If you are going to use the journal reference in text or cited in text, it is similar to the book one. So then there is a bit of a difference. So then you can state your facts and then put in brackets all the authors, the first time you use them, and then the date and the page number that you used. Or you can say according to all the authors and then the rest of the citation, and then once you have used it the first time, If it's more than 3 authors, you are allowed to use et al, or it's preferred that you use et al, which means and the others. So you put the first author's name in or surname in, and then say et al, comma, the year and the page number. So the first time you use the reference, if it's in a full bracket, you write out all the authors' names. So if there are 16 authors, you write all 16 authors. If there are 4 authors, you write all 4 authors. If there are 3, you write all 3. And then if you are going to cite it for the second time, you only write the first author's name and then say et al. But if you are going to start with according to, or something similar to that, with the names of the authors outside the brackets, this is how you write it. There is a guide on how to reference, which I will upload or should have uploaded on the clicker page for you. So this is how you do journal referencing and in-text referencing for journals, as well as book referencing and in-text book referencing. I hope you understand now how to do both.